Generac acting stupid, 16%. Zern LK acting stupid. Marvel acting stupid. EA Sports, it's in the game. They acting stupid. Trade Wave, Chesapeake Energy doing something. Super Micro in the news again. Ah, fuck! I should have never get rid of them. If I had known then what I knew now. Oh well. All in a day's work. All in a day's work.
Y'all think I should take this down too? Nah, I think I'm gonna keep this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. I'm lining this up later on and shit. But yeah, as of right now, we good to go, coach. We good to go, coach. Time to go to the grocery store. Yep, time to go to the grocery store. I might work out for a little while when I get back. I don't have to go as hard no more. You're not on that 28-day challenge anymore. Now we about to get our finances on. Yeah, we about to get our finances on. Uh,